Instagram can now train their AI algorithm on your photos on Instagram, and it also allows other people to download your photos and videos and take those photos and videos that you've posted, alter them with AI, and repost them. I'm going to show you how to turn those features off so that you can help protect your content on Instagram. So from here, open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android and tap on the profile button at the bottom right. From here, let's get to your settings by tapping on those three lines at the top right. And then scroll down from here until you get to this section that says sharing and reuse. Now on here, it says allow people to share your stories. And it also says allow people to share your posts and reels, but more importantly, allow people to create with and reuse your content. So if I have this turned on for reels and posts, etc., they can download this content and recreate it. You can also see allow people to create and reuse your content with Meta AI, allowing Meta AI to analyze everything. So if all of these are turned on, it gives access to other people and Meta AI to be able to analyze everything. So I would recommend turning everything off here. In addition to that, who can create with your content? I would switch this to no one, and then allow people to share externally and download it, attach your content to websites, and then have featured content requests. I would make sure everything on here is turned off. Essentially, this allows all of the photos and videos that you post to Instagram to stay just on Instagram, just on your account. But that's not the only thing I would recommend doing. Let's, in addition to that, hop into the settings app of your iPhone or Android. Oh, let me go back to the beginning here so I can walk you through exactly how to find that. From the settings app, scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps. And then scroll down until you find Instagram on this list and tap on that. Now on here, tap on photos, and instead of giving it full access, which would allow, in my case, 17,000 photos and 500 videos to have access to with Meta's AI and Meta's server for content suggestions, I would recommend instead switch this to add photos only. This means if you select photos to upload to Instagram, then of course it has access to it, but otherwise it can't see the rest of the photos and videos on your iPhone or Android. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this kind of content, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, man. Thanks for watching.